Alright, it is time for the late birthday checkup on my classic childhood. I just smacked the fucking table. Jesus, ow. On my childhood boy. In all her glory. The old spaghetti factory. Tukwila, Washington. 2009 330a with the bib kiss. Let's go for a ride. I didn't come here for my birthday last year because I went to the old spaghetti factory to get drunk. No, this is the old. Jesus Christ! They never fixed the delayed start. I went to Buffalo Wild Wings to get drunk, but now I'm back because I'm gonna move soon and I gotta say goodbye to my girl. You gotta love it. A fucking Schindler dual jack holeless hydraulic system. Sounds so good, runs so smooth. God, it's so hard to capture like from the lantern to this on a Schindler because it moves so quickly, you dipshit. Let's just zoom in on you, huh? Hey, this will be the first time I've had a whiting. She interrupted me with re-leveling. This will be the first time I've had wide-angle video. She looking cute as hell for real, as always. Look, it's my bib kiss. Ooh, motherfucker, stop moving. He trying to run away. I got bib kiss on the last one. Yo, what up, bitch? Capping. This will be my final birthday. Oh, let's go out of wide angle. Stay there the whole time. This will be my final checkup. You know, why don't I do this more? I always love a good view out. This will probably be my... Well, I don't know. Maybe I'll come back here one day. But I'm moving soon. My last birthday checkup on pretty girl. HT indicator, 2,500 pounds. HT premium standard? Oh, I think someone's coming in. No? We got called. And a re-level. There's your lantern. Let's take one last listen of that nice dual jack holeless system. If you would start. Oh, she's called up here. All right, let's get the outros out of the way. She pretty girl for real, for real.
Oh, can we go in?
Watch out.
Alright, I still want to go.
No problem. I know elevator's fun, huh?
Fun, yeah.
Well, that's gonna be it.